Hi guys, as conclusion and application, I will show you something very interesting that you can start using now. These kind of mats, if you like, I call them video mats, are sold in the market, and it's very important that you learn how to create them in After Effects and use them in Premiere Pro and create a good dynamic link. So here I have a project application. You can download it later on from the resources, and then I have the Premiere Pro project we have been working on. Within Premiere Pro, I'm gonna take one of the videos, that's Venice 1, and create a new sequence. So I have my sequence here, very nice. I will come and try to loop. Okay, so when I play, it loops back so we can see our work. Cool. Now let's go to File and Adobe Dynamic Link, and we say New After Effects Composition. Give me the dimensions, very happy from it, everything is fantastic. Let's go now to Premiere Pro. We will extend the view, and the first thing I want to do is to create a shape. Here you are. I will give it this color, is okay, but then I will come to the rectangle size here. I will remove the link and make it 100 in height. That's it, that's a band. Then I will just put it on top for the composition. Cool. Then I will duplicate the shape layer. That's it. Put it on bottom. Here you are. Then select both of them, change the color to black. That's it. You could have created solid layers. Cool. So we've done this. Let's go back to Premiere Pro. Take our composition here and drop it on top of the video. Notice what you have done. You know, people try to sell you this. You created the cinematic look. So actually, you don't have to go out to the market and start, buying these things and people showing off on you. No, you learn dynamic linking. Here you are. It's done. You have the cinematic look. Let me show you even something more interesting now, something that you would really like to duplicate and work on it. So I have here just these two. I will lock them. As simple as this. I want to lock both of them. Then I will create another shape layer. I will just double click here and let's give it the color white so we make a difference. Okay, I will select it and come to its size. Now I would like to create 5 of them and animate. So I will create one and use the repeater. So I will come to size here and remove the link, of course. In the 1280, I will write 1280 divided by 5. It comes to 256. Let's make it 250 only. Okay, and 720 is too big. We have taken 100 and 100, so it should be around 520 only. Here you are. Quite cool, right? I will align it on the side. That's fine. Then I will remember it's 250 here. I will add now a repeater. Come to repeater and repeat this one 5 times. Okay, but the distance I will change it from here, and instead of 100 I will write 250. Okay, I need a bit more, if you notice. So I will use the control or command on the Mac and just make it a bit more so you can still start seeing the transparent line. Here you are. That's fine for me now. I think it's okay. Maybe a bit more. Let's say 258. Here you are. Cool. Now, it's as simple as I'm gonna do. You won't believe this. What I will be doing here is to add, for example, a solid layer. Here we say new solid layer. And we make the solid layer black. That's no problem. Then I'm gonna take both of them to down, take the solid layer down, and this is the shape where we replicated. And then on the solid layer I will put an alpha inverted matte. Now that's what's happening here. You have black, you have some lines that are pretty thick, but it's okay, and you have transparency. Cool. Let's animate the repeater here. I will open and come to contents. And inside content, I have the number of copies. I will keyframe and make it 0 in the beginning. Then after, for example, I don't know how big is this. Okay, after, for example, 20 frames, here you are, I will get it back to 5. And then we animate, as simple as this. Let's see. Cool, nice, beautiful. As simple as I'm gonna show you. Look what happened in Premiere Pro. Look what you have created. Let's open and let's play it. Cool, guys. Now you are a professional video editor. Now you are doing cinematics. You're doing uncovering through masks done in After Effects. But that's not everything. There is so much that you can do. For example, let's go back to After Effects here and complicate things. As simple as this. I like complicating things, right, guys? So we lock these 2 layers. We are very safe. We come to the shape layer here. And instead of having the size 250 by 520, let's divide 520 by 2. Simple. Now it became a bit smaller, right? I like moving it up with the position. So remember, the top one was 100. Here I'm at 360, so I will take it back, of course, to 260 maybe, something like this. Now I can see it, in fact, here you are. That's fine here. Okay, now if I play the animation, look what's happening. It's open there. Now let's move to this side. Okay, I have the solid here too big, so I want to make it smaller. So I will just make it smaller, and I need to adjust it so it covers only the area that's supposed to cover. Here, a bit bigger. Here you are. Let's say just like this. This is cool. And then I will align it to the side. If I run the animation now, that's what's happening. Cool. Okay, let's take these two shape layers and just duplicate them. Now we have them, running here, and they're running on top of each other. Just click and take it down. Okay, press shift. It's coming down. I need to adjust the solid layer. I'll just take it a bit smaller. Okay, over here, and then take it down a bit bigger. Here you are. I like that. Now let's play the animation. Not bad, but that's not exactly what we want, right? We're gonna open the keyframes here, pressing U, and maybe for the other one we press U. We see the keyframes, and this is what we are going to do. Just move the keyframes on the side. Now actually this is a very simple animation. Cool, it's done. Let's go to Premiere Pro and see the magic now. An instant magic. Here you are. Fantastic. Okay guys, so notice the applications here. I know I went a bit fast and there is a small mistake here, but actually you can really work it out and make it very meticulously so it can really be very exciting. These are mattes or video mattes, and notice now you can right click and render and replace, and then you have a matte, a video matte that you can use anywhere. It's so easy, so simple, and also it gives a lot of style to your videos. So from it's just a plain video here, we ended up having something quite nice, and we ended up having quite some animation. Now I know I left a few things, I should have worked on them, but usually this is what I do. I work roughly, then come back and adjust it exactly the way I want. For example, these lines are too thick, this one is too thin, maybe make them a bit thicker and work on it. But this is the simple concept. Look at our work. We did a very simple animation in After Effects. Just 4 keyframes, or in fact 2 keyframes. One at the beginning, one at the end, for 2 layers. And we have a very simple animation, and we used the inverted track matte. Who doesn't know it? I'm sure you already know it. If not, take my course. The complete After Effects course from beginner to expert. You will be able to do all these things very smoothly. In fact, there is a section that explains this within After Effects without putting the link in Premiere Pro. You could benefit from this section. I hope you enjoyed the course. I hope it was wonderful for you. I hope you really learned a lot. And do some videos, do some editing, do some animation within After Effects. Use the dynamic link, and I will be very happy if you post them on YouTube to see them and work with you and get you to become the video editor and the animator you want to become. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next course.